Shame on them. Because you know whoever saw you. My soul, me and my wife go there together, do my own degree wedding. And the kind thing with me and they find. Togetherness. Love. Love. Chama, you taught me how much to love my wife. I will not forget. One day we were doing checks and balances. Pressure was so high. And my wife was calling me. She was calling me. I said, my friend, stop calling my friend. Are you okay? Chama was like, who did you just talk to? I said, I just spoke to my wife. He said, are you okay? How can you talk to your wife like this in front of me? How do you not expect me to respect your wife if you don't respect your wife? This happened in 2016 December. My wife was in America to have my son donor. And I was having so much pressure on business. So I gave her a very negative vibe. But instantly, he made me understand that never you talk to your wife like that in public. Never! Your wife and my wife friend, they talk to her like that. Till tomorrow, it lives in my head. I love you, Chairman, for that because everything is not about money. That's right. If my marriage no dey maintained, I no go get money like this. So that's right. I no go feel they able to process Bedu, sing and come out. That's right. But because I have an amazing home, that's why I can function properly. Thank you for this journey. I'm proud and I'm happy. I've been married for 10 years. Oh my God. Some people never even see wife. But I'm married for 10 years. Oh my God. And I'm a legend. Because it's not easy to marry this woman who I'm married. The pressure no dey easy. They pressure me.